Hey guys, what's going on? I'm John Malecki, and in this video, I'm taking this piece of scrapwood and I'm turning it into
this desk organizer. Check it out.
you guys so much for tuning in. This was a lot of fun. As you know, I typically build huge things and not little small ones, but it's nice to get to practice woodworking techniques like those box joints and get to do smaller parts like the little accented metal plugs. I want to send a big thank you out to Post-it Extreme Notes for sponsoring this build. I've been using Post-it notes all over my life for years to keep track of things that I was doing, and Post-it brand actually developed the Post-it Extreme Note to be used in the workplace. It is great for adhering to metal, to wood, and is actually water resistant, which is really, really cool. So make sure you check them out in the link down below. And when you support my sponsors, you support my channel, and that's what helps me produce this content for you guys. So make sure you're checking them out. If you'd like to see a more detailed write-up of this build, you can check out my blog at johnmalecki.com. I'll also have a link to that down below. So thank you guys one more time. Get out there and punch your next project in the face.